Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a ladies Gucci watch with an integrated bracelet. This particular model here has interchangeable bezels. It does require a special tool. I'll show you how to open it safely. Here is the Gucci ladies watch with integrated bracelet. And right away we can see here there's no index mark for us to use a traditional case knife on this snapback case. I mean, I guess in this case we wouldn't really call it a snapback case as it's really a pressure fit. So I ended up making my own tool for this. It's a piece of hardened steel pivot wire that watchmakers use pivots for mechanical watches. And what I've done is I've made it a hook here and then filed it down to the correct dimensions here. So if we take a quick look, if we just put a ruler up here, we can see it, the hook at about maybe a 30-degree angle there from the 90 there. It's about 4 millimeters wide, and I've trimmed it down to about 1 millimeter in thickness, rounded the edge, and just smoothed off any sharp edges. So I'm going to insert the tool here where we have a gap where the bracelet meets the case. Just going to give it a wiggle till it's flat. I'm just going to push in as far as I can. I'm just going to gently push up. Move down a little more, push, and there we go. So now we can remove the case back. And now we have access to the case. So you can see here when we went in through that notch here, I was able to place here and then use that to safely pry it up. Now let's move on to doing the battery change. So sometimes in a case like this, I would remove this, this retaining ring for the movement, but I think in this case, we probably don't have to do that. I'm just gonna go in very carefully to the side here. I'm gonna hold the movement down so it doesn't shift with this holder. There's a small gap there. I'm just gonna gently pry out the battery. I'm gonna use plastic whenever possible here. And I make sure, and what I do, I never touch this driver coil here. If we brush that with the head of a screwdriver, or even possibly with this tool, we're going to damage that coil and the watch will not work. So we'll get a fresh Swiss Renata battery here. Again, I'm not touching the battery with my bare hands. And we're going to gently place it in there. And I'm going to use this plastic tool to reposition the battery there. And we'll gently press, and in it goes. So next we can close up the watch. If I was doing this on the bench for non-demonstrative purposes, I would have removed that gasket, re-lubricated, replaced it, and cleaned all gasket surfaces. And this goes back here. So if you're lucky, that's going to snap back in. I think that likely it's going to need a case press to be able to sit. We can see it's slightly off, and I can cover using the case press / crystal press. I've cleaned the gasket and put it back into the watch. And now we can use the crystal / case press to snap the back into place here. So what I've done here is I have left on one of the existing bezels here. We're gonna have to be careful and use some gentle pressure. And I'm gonna match that ring to the outside of the bottom of the case press here. I'm gonna place a cloth down below to prevent any scratching. The dies are Delrin and probably won't scratch. I just like to take the extra precaution. And then the upper one is sized to the exact dimension of the actual case back itself. So once I've got everything lined up there, I'm gonna just a gentle press. We heard the click, and the watch is now complete.